get asked a lot from people about different areas of Sedona and what they look like. And so there's no confusion. Today we're going to take you on 3 little charming neighborhoods in western Sedona. So if I zoom in, I'm going to show you. So there's 5 areas. There's the village of Oak Creek, where I'm pointing at right here. And then when we get a little bit closer, you see the Chapel of the Holy Cross. That's as you get a little bit more north, and it's called the Chaplet area. And then most people know where it gets really congested, which is all in uptown area, right over here. This is where a lot of the tourists go. And then up here is Oak Creek Canyon. Our focus today is going to be a driving tour in West Sedona. And right here is 89A. It's going to be on the northern part of 89A, right by the business district where you'll see, so there's going to be Sedona West, Western Hills, and Eagle Rock. We're excited to take you on this journey. So we are in the Sedona West neighborhood. It's one of the oldest neighborhoods in Sedona, and it was built all around the Western movie set. So it has a lot of fun names, street address names like Gun Fury, Pony Soldier, Flaming Arrow. So it's just kind of a fun little neighborhood. A lot of the homes, it started in development in the mid 1960s, and it's elevated. It's north of 89A, and it has just spectacular views all around it, like the sail and like coffee pot.
Yeah. Shannon sold that house right there. That was an Airbnb rental with an incredible view.
And the homes, again, there's just a wide span of homes, ranging from a lot of homes built in the 80s all the way up to the present. So you're going to see a lot of diverse looking different homes, all custom. Homes range from about $1 million to 1.5, although you can find homes in the 700 range to enter in the market. Okay, outside of the business district, you have Posse Grounds that's just right nearby as well, and Posse Grounds has a whole bunch of different things that you can do there. You also have the Sugarloaf Trailhead, which is really close to us, and you can access that just by foot. There are 285 properties in Sedona West. Homes range from around 2,000 to 2,300 square feet. This is one of those neighborhoods that there were some tiny homes built in the 1960s and 1970s, around 1,000 square feet. Some of the larger homes go all the way up to 3,600 square feet. Lots are 9,000 square feet up to a half acre. Okay, we're about to head over to Western Hills. Western Hills has 186 properties. Lots go all the way up to an acre. Square footage of homes range from 1,200 to over 5,000 square feet, with many of the smaller homes built in the 1980s. Paul's going to share a little bit more about Western Hills for you.
So we're in Western Hills, another West Sedona subdivision. They're all very similar. Some are newer than others. This one has been around a while. There are some older homes there, but also brand new homes around us. Again, it goes right up to the Forest Service. Incredible views. Really pretty mesa up here. It's kind of high up. 89A is just 2 minutes down the hill there. And that's Thunder Mountain. Walt Disney named the ride in Disneyland after that mountain. He was actually, there's a lane called Disney Lane in Sedona, and he also used to hike West Fork, one of our favorite trails. He was a very common hiker there. But anyway, that's it for Western Hills.
Here we are making our way into Eagle Rock subdivision. It's a smaller community, about 26 homes. Paul's going to give you a whole lot of information on it, but a lot of the homes are Santa Fe style, just beautiful, crazy views. This will be really fun to see what the outcome of this home looks like when it's complete.
I did this subdivision I was the developer, Eagle Rock subdivision. I did it about 20 years ago. 29 lots, they're building envelopes. So the little eighth of an acre building envelope with that common area like Casa Contenta, same idea, very environmental. City likes it. It's called a PRD is what they call it in zoning, and allows a better look and feel of the subdivision. So anyway, it's all the way against Forest Service on both sides. These lots started at about 300, went to 600 grand a lot. These houses are probably $1 million to $3 million. And you can hike right out of your backyard. This is Forest Service, but you're all the way up in the, let's see, you're in the most northwest corner of Sedona. As west as you can get. That's the airport base up there where the planes land and the airport is. So that's the scoop on Eagle Rock.
The Stupa Peace Park is literally walking distance from Eagle Rock as well as Western Hills. It's a place for people to go and meditate. Okay, so now I'm showing you Posse Grounds Park. This is the big entertainment pavilion that Posse Grounds has. There are several walking trails, bike skills park, a skate park, EV charging station, playground equipment. The list just goes on and on and on. The park was actually used as a staging ground for the sheriff's posse. So today, now it's called Posse Grounds Park. It offers about 10 covered and landscape ramadas that can be reserved for parties and special events, or just used as a place to just sit and enjoy. But what we've shown you here is just the entertainment pavilion as well as the baseball fields. Which neighborhood could you call home? Eagle Rock, Western Hills, or Sedona West? Let us know in the comments below.